everyone. Welcome to English Talk Cafe, the spot where your English grows stronger every single day. I am Emma.
And I am Jack. So great to be sitting here with all of you. How is everybody feeling today?
I am feeling wonderful, Jack. This morning I woke up early and had a lovely walk in the park. It was so fresh outside.
That sounds really nice, Emma. I love a good morning walk. It gives you energy for the whole day.
It really does. And today we have a lot of energy because we have a really exciting topic prepared for you all.
Yes, so today on English Talk Cafe, our topic is daily English phrases for beginners.
These are the phrases that people actually use in their everyday life, not textbook sentences, real sentences, natural sentences.
That is exactly right, because sometimes you study English for years, but when you talk to a real person, you freeze.
Ha, yes, your mind goes completely blank.
That used to happen to me all the time, Emma.
Do not worry. After today's episode, that will happen much less. We promise.
But first, a small favor from us. If you enjoy our videos, please press the like button right now.
Yes, and hit subscribe so you never miss a new episode of English Talk Cafe. It truly helps us so much.
And share this with anyone you know who wants to improve their English. The more people we help, the better.
All right, Jack, shall we begin?
Let us go.
Okay, so the very first thing we do every day when we see someone is say hello. Simple, right?
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, hello. We all know those.
But real English conversation has so many other ways to greet someone. Let us start with, how are you?
How are you? Yes, I know that one very well.
Good. And what do you say back, Jack?
I say, I am fine, thank you. And you?
Perfect. That is a classic answer. But you can also say, I'm doing great, or I'm doing really well, thank you.
I'm doing really well. That sounds more natural.
It does. Now, another phrase people use a lot is, how is your day going?
How is your day going? Is that different from how are you?
Just slightly. How is your day going asks more about today specifically, about what is happening right now.
Ah, I understand. So if someone asks me, how is your day going? I can say, it's going really well. Or, it has been quite busy.
Exactly right. And one more greeting that's very casual and friendly. What's up?
What is up? I hear that in movies and TV shows.
Yes, but remember, what's up is only for close friends, people you know very well, not for your boss or your teacher.
So I say good morning to my boss, Mr. Khan, and what is up to my friend Bilal.
Exactly, you got it already. Now let's talk about meeting a new person. This makes many people nervous.
Yes, your heart beats fast, you don't know what to say.
But it's actually very simple. You just say, hi, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Jack. What is your name? Very simple.
And when the other person tells you their name, you say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. And they say, nice to meet you too.
Yes, both people say it. It's very polite and very warm.
And then what, if we don't know what to say next?
Ask a simple question, like, where are you from?
Where are you from? And I say, I'm from Lahore, or I'm from London.
Perfect. And you can also ask, what do you do?
What do you do means, what is your job?
Exactly. And you can answer, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I'm an engineer, whatever you do.
This is easy, Emma. 4 simple phrases. Hello, my name is, nice to meet you, where are you from, and what do you do?
That's all you need to start. The rest will come naturally. Now, this part is very important. Politeness. Being polite in English is very, very important.
Yes, people notice when you're polite. It makes a big difference.
The two most important words are please and thank you.
Please and thank you, the golden words of English.
Always say please when you want something. Can I have some water, please? Can you help me, please? Could you open the door, please?
Please makes everything sound nicer and more respectful.
And the other person says, you're welcome, or no problem, or of course.
Yes, all three are very common. Now, another very useful polite phrase is excuse me.
Excuse me, like when I want to walk past someone in a crowded place. Yes. Or when you want to get someone's attention. Excuse me, could you tell me the time, please?
Ah, so excuse me is like a soft knock before you start talking.
That is a perfect way to describe it, Jack. And what do you say when you make a small mistake?
I say, I'm sorry.
Good. And if you did not hear what someone said, you can say, pardon me, or sorry, could you say that again, please?
Pardon me? That sounds very polite.
It is. And you can also say, could you repeat that, please? It is very polite and very useful.
Could you repeat that, please? I will definitely use that one. Sometimes people speak so quickly.
It happens to everyone, Jack. Even fluent English speakers ask people to repeat things.
That makes me feel better.
Okay, now imagine you are at a shop or a market. What phrases do you need?
The first thing I need is, how much does this cost?
Yes, how much does this cost is perfect. You can also say, how much is this?
How much is this? And the shopkeeper tells me the price.
And if you want to buy something, you say, I'll take this one, please.
I'll take this one, please. Short and clear.
And if you are just looking around and not ready to buy, you say, I'm just browsing, thank you.
I'm just browsing, so they do not keep asking me if I need help.
Exactly. And if you need help finding something, you say, excuse me, could you help me find the sugar, please?
Excuse me, could you help me find and replace sugar with whatever you were looking for?
Perfect. And when you're ready to pay, you go to the counter and say, can I pay here, please?
Can I pay here, please? Or where can I pay?
Both work great. And always remember to say thank you when you leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Beautiful. That is the complete shopping experience in English. Now, let us go to a restaurant or a cafe, one of my favorite places to practice English.
Mine too, especially if there's good food involved.
So the waiter comes to your table and says, hello, what can I get for you today?
And I say, could I have a coffee, please?
Could I have? That is a beautiful and very polite way to order. Much better than just saying, give me coffee.
Yes, give me sounds a bit rude.
It does. Could I have or can I please have are much softer and politer.
Could I have a cup of green tea, please? Could I have some orange juice, please?
Wonderful. And if you want to see the menu first, you say, may I see the menu, please?
May I see the menu, please? Very polite.
And if you're not sure what to order, you ask, what would you recommend?
What would you recommend? The waiter will suggest their best dishes.
Exactly. It's a very smart question. And when the meal is finished and you want to pay, you say, could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please? In some places they say the check.
Yes, both are correct. Bill is more common in British English. Check is more American.
Good to know. And if the food was delicious, I can tell the waiter, everything was absolutely wonderful, thank you.
The waiter will be so happy to hear that. Compliments are always welcome. Jack, what do you do when you need help but you're not sure how to ask in English?
I usually feel a bit shy.
Don't be shy. The simplest way is to say, excuse me, could you help me please?
Excuse me, could you help me, please? And most people will say, yes, of course.
Yes, people are generally very happy to help, and then you explain your problem.
And what if I don't understand something that someone says?
You say, I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand. Could you explain that again, please?
I did not quite understand. That sounds very natural.
It is very honest and very polite. And if someone is speaking too fast, you can say, could you slow down a little, please?
Could you slow down a little, please? That's very useful.
Nobody will be offended. They will simply speak more slowly for you.
And what if I want to help someone else? How do I offer help?
You say, can I help you with that? Or would you like some help?
Can I help you with that? That sounds very kind and friendly.
It is, and the other person will say, yes, please, that would be great, or no, thank you, I'm okay.
Both are perfectly fine answers.
All right, now let's talk about casual, everyday conversation with friends. This is where English gets really fun.
Yes, talking with friends is much more relaxed.
Exactly. The first thing you might ask a friend is, how was your day?
How was your day? And they say, it was great, or it was really tough.
Yes, and if something good happened, your friend might say, oh, guess what?
Guess what? That means they have exciting news.
Yes, and you say, oh, really? Tell me everything.
Tell me everything. Ha, I love that.
And when your friend shares something surprising, you can say, no way, are you serious?
No way, are you serious? That shows you're surprised and interested.
And when you totally agree with something your friend says, you say, that's so true, or absolutely, I agree completely.
That's so true, or absolutely. Simple but very natural.
And if you sort of agree but want to add something, you say, I see what you mean, but I think.
I see what you mean, but I think. That's a very diplomatic way to share a different opinion.
Exactly. You're not saying your friend is wrong, you're just adding your own perspective.
Very smart.
And now, the final section, saying goodbye. How do we end a conversation politely?
Goodbye is the classic one, but there are more natural ways, right?
Yes, many more. See you later is very common and very friendly.
See you later. Is that for when you'll see them the same day?
Usually, yes, but people say it even when they won't see someone very soon. It's just a friendly way to say bye.
And see you soon is when you plan to meet again in the near future, but not necessarily today.
What about take care?
Take care is my personal favorite. It's warm and it shows you genuinely care about the other person. Take care. Yes, I love that one too.
And have a lovely day is very positive and cheerful, perfect for when you leave a shop or finish a phone call.
Have a lovely day. And one more. It was so nice chatting with you.
Beautiful. It was so nice chatting with you is perfect for when you finish a conversation with someone you just met or haven't seen in a while.
And the other person says, you too. It was lovely.
Perfect ending to any conversation. Okay, Jack, let us quickly go through everything we covered today. Are you ready?
Ready.
Part 1. Greetings. How are you? How is your day going? And what is up for close friends only?
And the answers, I am doing great. It is going really well. It has been quite busy.
Part 2. Introductions. Hi, my name's Emma. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do?
4 simple phrases to start any conversation with a new person.
Part 3. Being polite. Please, thank you, excuse me, I am sorry, and could you repeat that, please?
Golden words that open every door.
Part 4. At the shop. How much is this? I'll take this one. I'm just browsing. Can I pay here, please?
Part 5. At the cafe. Could I have a coffee, please? What would you recommend? Could we have the bill, please?
Part 6. Asking for help. Could you help me, please? I did not quite understand. Could you slow down a little, please?
Part 7. Chatting with friends. How was your day? No way! Are you serious? That is so true. I see what you mean, but...
And Part 8. Saying goodbye. See you later. Take care. Have a lovely day. It was so nice chatting with you.
So many phrases, Emma. My head is full.
But the good news is you do not need to learn them all today. Pick 3 or 4, use them this week, then add more.
Yes, small steps every day lead to big results.
And the most important rule of all, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward.
Communication is more important than perfection.
That's our motto here at English Talk Cafe. Well, Jack, I think that is a wrap for today. What a fantastic episode.
It really was, Emma. I feel like I could go out right now and have a full conversation in English.
That's exactly the goal. And everyone watching, we have a small challenge for you.
Yes, in the comments below, write one sentence using any phrase from today's episode. Just one sentence.
We read every single comment and we love seeing you practice.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to English Talk Cafe and share it with your friends.
We're building a wonderful English learning community together, and you are a part of it.
Your English is improving every single day, even if you cannot see it yet. Trust the process.
Keep going, keep practicing, and keep showing up.
From me, Jack,
And me, Emma.
thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.